Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the last daily scan for 2014. Today's date is Friday, December 19th, 2014. And the announcements from yesterday, pretty much in line. Apparently the market really liked it, and I think they liked the Cuba deal too. And I don't know, I guess yesterday was a good day, and it was an impressive candle, I must say. Nothing on tap for today. Next week, I think for the most part, should be pretty light. Let's take a look at it in advance here. Market is closed on Christmas Day, and then pretty much everything packs it in by 1 o'clock on Christmas Eve. And let's see, we should have jobless claims normally on Thursday is going to be on Wednesday. And then there's some big ones on Tuesday, several of them actually. So it's going to be pretty packed on Tuesday. And then after jobless claims and etc., about 11 o'clock, well, it should pretty much quiet down then. And we can take a look. I think let's try to look into next year here. Let's see. The first, I don't know what year this is. Not sure if this is. Let's look at January 1st. That would be, I think this is last year. Yeah, because the reports are already there. How do I get into next year? Not really sure how to do that. So we're not going to look at January of next year yet. You can do that on your own. Maybe we need to go to a different 2014 calendar here. Don't know how to do it, and I'm not going to figure out how to do it on this video. So anyway, you saw it. Let's move on. What's going on across the ponds? Asia up across the board. Europe mixed, actually, surprisingly. We'll see if there's going to be any follow-through on this end for today. Okay, so far, looks like it's going to open up. Gold is at 1197 as expected. Didn't participate in the big market move yesterday. Oil's at 55, which is still a good thing for the trip to Florida in the next month. The dollar is at 89.64, and the euro dollar is at $1.22.6. So that the euro continues to weaken against the U.S. dollar. That's pretty interesting. VIX is at 16.81. You would think it would be a little bit lower, but I think it's going to take it a little bit of time to move down into the 14s again if we're going to end up with that big bold bull market here. Okay, jumped in on Visa yesterday morning about 10:20, I think, somewhere around there, and I'm at 262.50 for my short. We'll take a look at that as we go through the A+ list, and we're going to do that quickly, and we're going to get out early today, and no editorial comments or anything else. We're just going to move along and take a look at the scan and see what's happening so we can wrap this up for the year. Okay, Apple, start with them. Had a nice day yesterday. We had a target set here. We're not going to... why do I have drawings on here again? Dang. They got to do something about these drawings. They just have to. And if you get a chance, just ship an email off to support@thinkorswim.com and tell them please do something about your drawings. It's driving me nuts. If you get a chance to do that, I would appreciate it. And then my person's pivots here. I don't know what's going on with that. Studies. Let's make sure we got the right study set in here. Version 2. Okay, there we go. Don't know how that happened. Anyway, Apple's looking good. But I'm not doing anything. I'm not even going to mark them. Actually, tell you the truth, the scan is probably pretty much a waste of time for me today anyway, because I'm not doing anything. But we'll quickly run through these. So Apple looks good. If you want to do anything next week, or even today for next week, you might want to take a look at this. Because Apple is in a setup. But, you know, if the market keeps moving like it is, if you get another couple of days of green candles, I wouldn't touch this thing. Because I would say we're in a trend reversal. Amazon, oops. 20, see, all these drawings, yeah, drives me nuts. I wish there was delete all drawings button on all charts, on all chart layouts. I don't know where these drawings come from. I cleaned them all out. Anyway, be that as it may, Amazon may be setting up. Didn't participate yesterday. I would say that that is definitely a very strong sign that Amazon is in deep doo-doo. For some reason. I don't know why. Boeing didn't really participate yesterday either. So I have to figure out what's going on with that one. Looking pretty weak. Alibaba did not participate yesterday. Also looking weak. Baidu fully participated, so that's looking strong. May have a trend reversal coming up on that puppy. Chipotle, couldn't really figure out what the heck it was doing. So Chipotle is still a little confused. Costco fully participated. Might be a trend reversal there. Here's the Dow. 2 huge candles in a row here. Although from a week perspective, it's it has been matched previously in both directions. Gold, we'll just take a look at that just because it's there. Some big candles, but not going anywhere. Google didn't really participate yesterday. LinkedIn might be a sign, definitely a sign of weakness there. LinkedIn fully participated. So there may be a trend reversal coming in there. The mini NASDAQ participated, of course, and the regular NASDAQ participated as well. I wonder why these are different. I have to do a little bit more investigating into this. I thought this was a 10th. I thought MNX was a 10th of NDX, but there must be something different. Maybe it's the NASDAQ 100 or something. I don't know. I'll have to take a look at that. I will report back. Netflix did not participate, looking weak. And these ones that are not participating, if you got red candles on stuff from yesterday and they're in downtrends, you can pretty much figure that they're just going to continue to go down. I would say anyway. OEX, which is the S&P 100, looking good. Priceline, could be a trend reversal going on there. Russell, a big huge gap, but actually it looked a little bit of weakness during the day. SPX, now if you're doing SPX for next week, do SPX. SPX PM, of course, does not have an expiration for next week. which it's weird why they came out with this. I don't understand it. They change all the cash indexes to European style. That's fine with me, and based on the print at the close on Friday, like everything else. Why do they have to be so weird? I don't understand it. All right, so SPX, of course, fully participated. Tesla, let's see what's going on with Tesla. Is it still weak? Tesla, well, it might be a trend reversal in the future here for Tesla. And, of course, Visa. Here's where I got in. I got in, if I take a look at this, I usually put the time down. 10:26 is when I got in. My short's at 262.50. So 10:26 was on this candle. This one, yeah, it was on this candle. Kind of in the high part of the candle. On this upper wick here. But seems to be working out well. So if it could just hang on until later on this afternoon, we'll get out of that. And here I'll set an order up. Because sometimes these things, they do reversals later on. So if I can get a good price on this. All right, so I collected 62 cents on it. So what would make me happy? Well, I think 20 cents would make me happy. So I'm going to put it in at 20. And see if I get it. So that would give me 42 cents times 3, $128. So I think I can live with that. So that would make me happy. I can always change the order during the day. So they're all in one account. And away we go. There. That's done. Now I'm on cruise. Unless I want to, if it's moving in my direction, then I will lower it down, put it down maybe at a nickel or something like that. Or just let it ride. Just cancel it. We'll see. That's it for today. That's it for this year. I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy any other celebration between now and the end of the year. And I guess we'll be talking again on, when will it be? It won't be until January 5th. So, thanks again for watching. Have a great year, a great holiday, and happy trading.